club. It's ironic. Republicans don't want lesbians getting...
And it's ironic, since all these folks say that they believe in empowering states, that they're going to end up having the federal government do something that we'd actually prefer states to do if they were properly cooperating.
And like many young people, I thought that cynicism, a certain ironic detachment, was a sign of wisdom and sophistication.
Pam, I want to end this, though, by asking you a question, because I don't find it ironic that you're sitting up here asking us questions about concussions, yet I'm watching NFL on Fox Green Bay, correct? Where were you?
I was in New York.
New York.
How ironic, they say, that our politics seems more divided than ever. How ironic, they say, that our politics seems more divided than ever. I've said this before. I find it ironic that people who are constantly citing the Constitution would suddenly read into the Constitution requirements, norms, procedures that are nowhere to be found there.